Number 7 is Terminator 2: The Judgment Day. Terminator 2 is a 1991 American science fiction action movie. A Terminator is set on a mission to kill Sarah's son John Connor. However, another cyborg who was once after Sarah's life has now been assigned to protect him. It was released on July 3, 1991. It is directed by James Cameron, written by James Cameron and William Wisher. It is produced by James Cameron with Corolco Pictures and Lightstorm Entertainment Production Company. Its running time is 137 minutes. Its budget is $94 to $102 million. It grossed the worldwide box office with $520.8 million. It became the highest grossing film of 1991 and received several accolades. Top voted tags for this movie is action-packed, memorable, character intense, timeless, etc. Number 6 is Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. It is a 1937 American animated musical fantasy film produced by Walt Disney Productions. When Snow White, a princess, is exiled by her stepmother, an evil queen who wants to kill her, she runs into a forest soon. She is rescued by 7 dwarfs who form a friendship with her. It was released on 21 December 1937 in Los Angeles, US, followed by a nationwide release on Feb 4, 1938. It is directed by David Hand, Wilfred Jackson, Larry Morey, Percy Pierce, and Ben Sharpstein. It is based on the 1812 German fairy tale by the Brothers Grimm. Its running time is 83 minutes. Its budget is $1.49 million and box office is $418 million. Its top voted tags for this movie is kid-friendly, magical, funny, heartwarming. For number 5 is The Lord of the Rings, another fantasy. The Lord of the Rings is a film series of 3 epic fantasy adventure films. It is about a young hobbit, Frodo, who has found the one ring that belongs to the Dark Lord Sauron, begins his journey with 8 companions to Mount Doom, the only place where it can be destroyed. It was released from 2001 to 2003. It is directed by Peter Jackson, produced by Barry M. Osborne, Fran Walsh, and Tim Sanders. The total box office of the 3 movies is $2.981 billion. Budget of the 3 movies was $281 million, and the running time of the total 3 films is 558 minutes. Its genre is fantasy and adventure. It is a top-rated movie with top voted tags for these movies are magical, captivating, action-packed, memorable, etc. Number 4 is the most famous, that is Star Wars. Star Wars is an American epic space opera media franchise which began with the eponymous 1977 film and quickly became a worldwide pop culture phenomenon. The franchise has been expanded into various films and other medias, and also holds a Guinness World Records title for the most successful film merchandising franchise. It is created by George Lucas. Its short film is Reflections 2018, TV series are The Mandalorian 2018, Untitled Cassian Andor series, and the films are Star Wars A New Hope 1977, The Empire Strikes Back 1980, and many more. It is released from 1977 to present. Its budget is $1.633 billion and grossed worldwide box office with $10.316 billion in total. Its reviews is that it is the currently second highest grossing film franchise. Number 3 is the 1939 American musical fantasy film, which is The Wizard of Oz. Honestly, I am a fantasy person. Widely regarded as one of the best films of all time, it is the most commercially successful adaptation of L. Frank Baum's 1900 children's fantasy novel. It is when a tornado rips through Kansas. Dorothy and her dog Toto are whisked away in their house to the magical land of Oz. It was released on August 25, 1939. It is directed by Victor Fleming, produced by Mervyn LeCoy, with Metro-Goldwyn-Mayer Production Company. Its running time is 101 minutes. Its budget is $2.8 million. It grossed the worldwide box office with $26.1 million. It was nominated for 6 Academy Awards, including Best Picture Award. Number 2 is The Extraterrestrial. It is a 1982 American science fiction film, which is about an alien who is left behind on Earth and is saved by young Elliot, who decides to keep him hidden. While the task force hunts for it, Elliot and his siblings form an emotional bond with their new friend. Interesting. It was released on 10 June 1982. It is directed by Steven Spielberg, written by Melissa Mathison, and is produced by Kathleen Kennedy with Universal Studios Amblin Entertainment Production Company. Its running time is 114 minutes. Its genre is family and science fiction. Its budget is $10.5 million and it grossed the worldwide box office with $792.9 million. It received awards like Academy Award and many more. It is reviewed as top rated as it signs a beautiful exploration of unique friendship. Number 1 is the most watched movie of all time in the world, which is none other than 1997 movie The Titanic. Incorporating both historical and fictionalized aspects, it is based on accounts of the sinking of the RMS Titanic and stars Leonardo DiCaprio and Kate Winslet as members of different social classes who fall in love aboard the ship during its ill-fated maiden voyage. It was released on 18 November 1997. It is written and directed by James Cameron. It has grossed the worldwide box office with $2.187 billion and its budget is 20 crores USD. It was produced by James Cameron and John Landau. Its running time is 195 minutes, that is 3 hours and 30 minutes. Its genre is romance and drama. It is reviewed as the highest grossing movies of all time, which is inspiring too.